wake up, it's a brand new day. The sun peeks through the window and tickles Milo's toes. Milo is an energetic little fox with bright orange fur and a huge, bushy tail. Today isn't a normal school day, no tests, no spelling, just a big adventure to learn things you might never find in textbooks. Milo stretches and yawns, peeking outside to find his best friends, Tilly the cheerful hedgehog and Sam the wise old squirrel. Let's go on a life skills quest. Milo cries, bouncing down the path. Tilly claps her paws. What shall we learn first, she asks. Milo tries to tie his shoelaces on his own, his brow furrowing in concentration. The laces twist and tangle, but with a deep breath and a giggle, Milo gives it another go. Sam watches and shares a tip, making Milo laugh as he finally gets it right. Empower yourself. Tilly sings, skipping in a circle. The trio arrives at the stream, where a bridge of wobbly logs leads to delicious blackberries. Tilly hesitates. It looks scary. Milo smiles, we're together. Let's plan. They hold hands, steady each other, and make it across. Tilly beams, feeling braver than ever. Near the berry bush, another family of rabbits fusses over who gets the biggest treat. Sam steps forward. Let's use kind words. They talk and share, making sure everyone has enough. The rabbits thank them and invite them to join the picnic. Suddenly, a strong wind blows and scatters their napkins and berries. The friends pause, Milo frowns, but Tilly reminds them, when things go wrong, don't give up. Sam counts to 3 and everyone starts finding solutions, chasing after napkins, saving the berries, and laughing at the wild chase. After the picnic, the sun shines brighter and the friends rest beneath a sprawling oak tree. Milo notices a tear in his backpack. Oh no. He sighs. Tilly says, let's fix it. With Sam's advice, Milo tries sewing for the first time, making clumsy stitches but finishing with pride. Mistakes are how we learn, Sam encourages. On their walk home, Milo thinks about the day, about trying, planning, sharing, and believing. Tilly asks, which skill was your favorite? Milo grins, all of them. Because each one makes me braver and kinder. The fox, hedgehog and squirrel reach Milo's house, ready for dinner and the next day. Milo looks at his friends and remembers the song. Empower yourself, you're strong and smart. Take a deep breath, it's a brand new start. Solve problems, plan and try, be kind, be brave or reach for the sky. What kids learn? Problem solving, Milo tries until he succeeds and finds solutions when things go wrong. Emotional skills, Tilly conquers her fear and everyone learns to breathe and calm down. Teamwork and kindness, Sam helps everyone share and care for each other. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye!